Looking at cool art online and curious about kexart.com? Before you buy anything, let's find out if this is a real art store or a risky site you should avoid. So kexart.com presents itself as an online portfolio or shop featuring contemporary artwork, paintings, and expressive pieces by an artist reported as Mayank Parmar. The site is very new, created only in late 2025. That could mean a fresh business or just a temporary landing page. Here's what seems okay at first. Valid HTTPS encryption. Your data will be secure in transit. The site looks like an artist's portfolio rather than a flashy discount store, not obvious scam advertising. That means there's no automatic red flag like free iPhone bait ads, but there are some clear risk signs. Very low trust score on scam analysis tools, which flags potential high risk or suspicious activity. Brand new domain with little track record. Sites just a few months old do not have customer history or proof reliability. There's no verified independent customer feedback on known review platforms about buying art from kexart.com. No Trustpilot, Reddit, or third-party verified sales history. The ownership details include a name and address, but that doesn't confirm it's a legitimate art shop with real commerce and delivery guarantees. So is kexart.com a real art store? Right now, it's unproven and high risk. There's no solid verified customer history or reputation yet. And scam analysis scoring suggests caution. If you really want an original artwork, try artists selling on trusted platforms like Etsy, Saatchi Art, or Society6, or contact the seller directly before ordering. But for now, treat kexart.com with caution. Don't buy expensive items there until more proof of reliability emerges. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.